If you blinked, you missed it. Nio's sub-brand Firefly just dropped what might be the most artistic EV of 2026, and it was gone before most people could even hit refresh. Introducing the Firefly Pegasus Rhapsody Special Edition. Limited to just 99 units worldwide, this isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of contemporary art. Today, we're looking at what makes this specific collaboration so special and why Firefly is successfully turning budget EVs into must-have collectibles. Firefly teamed up with renowned Dutch artist Jordy van den Nieuwendijk to create the Pegasus Rhapsody. The base is a clean, crisp white, but it's layered with vibrant, hand-painted style graphics. The core motif. The Winged Pegasus. It's playful, it's bold, and it completely reinvents the Firefly's compact silhouette. At the back, you'll even find a firework pattern centered around the brand logo. It's a celebration of the Year of the Horse, blending traditional Chinese zodiac themes with modern European pop art. Inside, the Rhapsody theme continues. We're talking about a bespoke brown and ivory two-tone cabin that feels way more premium than its price tag suggests. Every detail has been touched. Custom embroidery. The headrests and door sills feature exclusive horse-themed stitching. Artist touches. You'll find Jordy's signature emblem throughout the interior. Bespoke accessories. It comes with custom soft pillows, lumbar supports, and even exclusive floor mats that echo the exterior art. Digital exclusivity. Even the UI on the infotainment screen gets a custom Pegasus wallpaper and boot-up animation. Oh, and the key. It's a custom-designed illuminated NFC card that looks like a VIP pass to an art gallery. So, how much did the lucky 99 pay? The Pegasus Rhapsody started at 135,800 renminbi, roughly $19,500. But here's the kicker, with Nio's BaaS, Battery as a Service, plan, the price dropped to just 95,800 renminbi, $13,700. For less than $14,000, these owners got a collector's item that supports Nio's legendary battery swapping technology. You get 420 kilometers of range, CLTC, a 105 kilowatts rear motor, and the ability to refuel in 3 minutes. It's the perfect marriage of high-end fashion and high-tech utility. This is Firefly's third limited edition, following the Nomadic Maillard and the Night Creature. By releasing these tiny batches of designer cars, Nio is doing something the competition hasn't figured out yet. They are making small cars cool. They aren't just selling cheap transport. They are selling individuality. With the Firefly now entering the UK, Thailand, and Singapore markets in 2026, this boutique strategy is putting the world on notice. Only 99 people in the world own this car. Are you one of the lucky ones? And if you had the chance, would you drive a car this bold, or do you prefer the standard, stealthier look? Let me know in the comments. If you want to stay updated on the latest EV drops and limited editions, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.